Kate here with WTI. Now, if you're in the market for a new comforter, this one from REGOUG is one to watch for. This is a down alternative comforter. It is so soft and plush and comfy. We have washed and dried and it comes out great. We have ours in the king size, and as you can see, there's a nice overhang on the sides. So it is well sized. It has this box stitching so that all of the stuffing stays in each little square. So that also helps it be nice and plush. It comes with 2 pillow shams as well. The comforter itself has tabs on each corner and on each side. So if you choose to put this in a duvet cover, you have the option to tie it in. But even just on its own, it's very nice. This is in the gray color, so it's about a medium gray. It's not super dark, but it's very easy to match with whatever space you have. It's an all-season comforter, so it's not too heavy. You don't get too hot. It's perfect to use all year round. We have it in my son's room. He's been very, very happy with it. We've had people sleep here. They're all very comfortable too. So if you are looking for a comforter that is easy, low maintenance, but that's gonna be super comfortable and look great, then definitely check this one out. And that's my point of view.